FLYTUBE. It is day 9 of Vlogmas and your girl is tired. I am on my way to the hair store. I should have went to the hair store yesterday, but you know, I had time this morning before my hair appointment to go to the hair store, so that's what I'm doing right now. I thought I had enough hair for this hairstyle that I'm about to do, which is just large knotless braids. But I only got one pack of the color of hair that the girl needs, so I gotta go buy some more packs. And my weakness is the hair store, y'all. My weakness is the hair store. I'm about to go in there knowing that I only just spend like $10, $15. Watch me spend like $40 in this hair store on what? I can't even tell y'all. Like, I can't. But I'll see y'all when I get there.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, y'all. So I'm back from the hair salon, and I said the hair salon. I'm tired. I'm back from the hair store, and I'm just setting up for my appointment. I put something on the TV so she could watch. She isn't older, like somebody that's around my age. She's young. She's like 13. So we just chilling, watching Wednesday, and I'm just setting up. And this is not really going to be a tutorial of me showing you how I do knotless braids, because my phone has been acting like the enemies of progress that it is. It's just going to be me, you know, chit-chatting with y'all a little bit through this video. Traits in a race, they can't hold me, and I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me, and I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly. Okay, so I said this wasn't going to be a tutorial video, but let me just give y'all a little bit on how I do knotless braids. So, you know, I just start a regular braid, break that hair into 3 pieces, and then I just add hair as I braid down. And it's a matter of me adding hair to make the braid look thick, so because it is a large knotless braid. But if y'all would like a more in-depth tutorial on how I do knotless braids, y'all already know what I'm about to say. Comment down below, and I will share that. Or if it's any hairstyle that y'all would like me to go in depth about and how I get it done, comment down below and let me know.
It would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that's Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno blows traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5.
We are at the end of these braids. I'm loving the way they came out. I'm just oiling her scalp to break down all the residue from the edge, not the edge control, but the product that I did use in her hair. People always ask, like, you know, when they do use all that product in their hair, how do they get all that gunk and stuff out? Oil the scalp, and when you're done dipping it in hot water, take that hot towel and put it against their scalp. That steam will loosen up their scalp, especially if the braids is tight. Now I'm just dipping her hair in hot water, just so that they fall. Everyone knows the process of getting braids done. That hot water is probably the scariest part. And I be trying to make it so easy, especially for my younger clients, because I know what it feels like to get your hair done as a child, especially because I was a tender-headed child. And I know everyone used to hate doing my hair because I used to be screaming and hollering, but I really try to cater to the kiddies because I want them to come back. So now I'm just going to put some mousse on her hair, and we finna get it shining.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Y'all cannot tell me I did not freak these large knotless braids. Go ahead and follow my hair page at Natural and Fly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below if y'all want me to share some hair tutorial videos. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.